Alright, first character.
Emo girl.
What? Next one.
Cyclops.
Is it because he has one eye?
Yeah.
Or another one?
Blue Chihuahua.
That's not right. Last one.
Oh, my goodness. Really goodness.
Your first one.
Juggernaut.
Huh? This one's so easy.
I know, it's Domino's.
What? Come on now, this is getting ridiculous.
Cheese.
Are you? Don't, if you don't get this, I'm done. Don't. It's not hard.
I don't know.
What are you talking? This is your first character.
Stop.
Close him out. Here's your second one. Oh, don't say it. Do not say it. Here's your next one. That's right. I swear, if you do not get him, you know him, Donald.
I am the character.
Number one.
I am the character.
That's a lion. Next one.
Bacon.
That's horrible. Second to last one.
Joe.
Absolutely not. Okay, last one.
Bobby Joe.
Actually, it's Candace.
Candace. Candace Joe.
This first one is so easy.
Rock the bag.
Wrong shot.
Castaways.
Alright, second one.
Flamming globe.
What the f? God, if you don't get this, I'm done with you.
It's a panda.
Yeah?
This one, yeah.
Donald, this is your girlfriend. What's her name? This is your first one.
Oh, I know this. It's the one.
I can't deal with this today. Here's the second one.
It's a superhero.
Superman. Oh my. This one's so easy. You better get this one right.
It's so easy.
Who is this? Who is this?
It's my wife.
Whoa! Numero uno.
Oh my God, it's SpongeBob.
Second one.
Ice cream.
His hair is on. This is your third one.
It's my brother.
You are done. This is the last one, and it's super duper really easy.
Pancakes.
I'm done with you. This is the first one of the day.
So this is the pancakes.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
Second one.
Some SpongeBob show me some drive.
Third.
Kitty.
He's part of your family. You know him. Here's your first one.
Mamma Mia.
Second one.
Tricky.
Alright, this is your third one.
Panda.
He's a bear. Last one. Big hint. It's a letter.
Bronco.
I mean, he did get knocked out. Your first one has two characters. Oh, this is gonna be a long day. Oh, second one. Yippee-ki-yay! Third one.
So this is Shrek.
Oh, you definitely know her. You definitely know her.
Monkeys.
I am so done with you. Your first one has two characters.
Taco and Taco.
Here we go, second one.
Taco.
You gotta be kidding. Third one.
Taco.
That's what he said. Last one. Here's your first one.
Carrot.
That's what he's eating.
Let's watch it.
I know you're gonna get this one wrong, but here you go.
Gobble duck.